thumbnail cropping has been updated on InProcess. If you go onto the create page of InProcess and you select an image just like you always have, what we have changed is your ability to use the set preview button. So before it was complex, you had to go and click on this and it took you into another modal where you had a whole bunch of buttons and it was hard. Now all you do is you drag and zoom. So if you zoom, you're going to modify it by zooming in. And then you can also drag, like I've just been doing, to drag it around. And then whenever you find the place that you want to center your thumbnail, you click done. It uploads the thumbnail to Arweave, and then you've got your new thumbnail. And this is what shows up on your timeline. This is the main image is what shows up on your moment page. You can also upload a custom thumbnail. And so, for example, we'll use this logo. And then I can do the same thing. I can zoom in. I can drag it around. No additional modals or redirects, trying to make this streamlined and simple. Click done. And now we've got our main image. We've got our preview image. And then we can say, today I cropped for the title, create, and we've got our new moment. We can see that on our page, we have the fully uploaded image. And over on our timeline, we have the cropped thumbnail that we uploaded. If you want to give it a try, go over to inprocess.fun/create.